Excel ribbon and their commands.
The page layout tab contains commands to set up the layout of page for printing, such as page margin, page size, set to printable area, page break, setting background, setting print titles, scaling, fit the printout to certain pages, etc. In page layout tab, we can see the group, themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet option, and arrange. First of all, themes. I am selecting this heading, colors, I am adding a color, change it, then themes, then go to fonts, I am setting Office 2007-2010, I am selecting again, now I am giving effects, I am giving Office 2007, this effect I am setting. Next one, page setup. Page setup means setting margins, orientation, size. I am going to margins. By default, the margin is normal. We can change these margins to wide, narrow. I am giving the margin to wide. Okay, it is given as wide. Then I am going to file, print. Okay, we can see the data content in this page. In all sides we can see plenty of margin. Next one, again I am going to normal margin, file, print. You can see the margin. Then next one, narrow margin. Go to file, print. Margin is shortened and more data is shown. Again, just one, orientation. By default, the orientation is portrait, but here the orientation is landscape, and I am changing to portrait now. Then I am going to print. You can see the print. Then the right side we can see the margin is more, and left side margin is very short. First I am going to margin. Now narrow margin is going on. I am changing it to normal. Again I am going to print. Okay, margin is shown equal in all sides. Then this one, size. Here given the size legal. I am changing this to A4 size. It is changed. File, print. Okay, the length of the page is shortened. Again I am going to size, legal. Again, file, print. Okay, large size. Again I am setting the print size. Please go to F4. I am going to file, print. Okay, more columns are shown, and see the number of pages. Total number of pages is 20 only. Again I am going to legal, file, print. Now the page total number is 16 only. Now I am adding a background to the worksheet. Click on background and give the work offline. I am giving a background here, given a sky. I am inserting this color into our worksheet. Insert. Okay. Our worksheet is colored with a background color. I am using the zoom. You can see the lines, dotted lines shown. The line shown is page break. Each squares are the pages. Now I am zooming it.